No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say, he or she is calling you. So let's get to it with our familiar English sound alike helper. So let's start by saying, oh, na, oh, na, apogee, apogee. So let's join it together and say it faster. Ọ na-akpọ gị. Ọ na-akpọ gị. So in Igbo, to say he or she is calling you, we say ọ na-akpọ gị. Ọ na-akpọ gị. You can add the person name. Blessing, ọ na-akpọ gị. He or she is calling you. So let's try your past knowledge. How do you say I know where it is in Igbo? Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.